Good morning, everybody. Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today we are starting our transformation of our front lawn. It's already established, it's kind of sandy, and there's some issues that we're going to try to fix. Make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button so you can follow along with our transformation. We make new content every Friday. So this lawn being so sandy, it was left alone for 4 years when the house was vacant, and I think the previous homeowner didn't really care. There's clover all in it, there's some crabgrass, and there's just some bare spots. So what we're gonna do today, the first step to overseeding this, I went over and we had some low spots here. The septic has a low spot, and then I just popped a few rocks out. So I filled in dirt here and there once I got those rocks out. So we don't want rocks in our lawn. It's not perfectly level and it could probably use some topsoil eventually, but what I want to do is throw some lime down after we dethatch it, and then throw some seed down when we get some upcoming rain. We're going to be using this Husqvarna YTH 18.5 and a 42-inch wide deck. Obviously, we're not mowing right now. Kai's saying hi out the window, doing school. And then I have a Tow Behind Dethatcher. Throw some weight on there, see if we can rip this yard up. Just put some cinder blocks on here. You can use whatever size you want. Obviously, the more weight, the more you're gonna dig into the ground. So, up to you. I would appreciate it if you would consider joining our journey. Make sure you drop down below and hitting that subscribe button. We make new content every Friday. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.